Okay, and we are back. So once you connect up to the Mimo app, the DJI Mimo app, you'll be able to see all of this, right? And to my shock, I will probably confirm that DJI Mimo app does not have live stream function. So you have your hyper lapse, your timer lapse, your slow motion, your super night, and your video, and your photo. So in a way, you don't have all that. You don't have this live stream button here, which only so far bigger cameras have. The DJI Action Cam 3, 4, 5, and is that a 6? 3, 4, 5, 6, as well as the Pocket 3, all have this little live stream button down here. It is pretty sad that I thought this had a live stream function, but no, it is purely for offline recording and vlogging. So yeah, that's the full unboxing of this DJI Nano. Thank you for watching. If you like, remember to follow the channel and comment in the section below what you think of the DJI Nano OSMO Nano compared to the DJI Action Cam 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.